Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to Outdoor and Door Texan. Today I'll be showing you my recipe for jalapeno cheddar egg bites. These are a great grab-and-go breakfast. They have a wonderful snap of flavor thanks to the fresh jalapenos, and since they're so easy to make, they're perfect for all you meal preppers out there. Before we dive in, here's a quick overview of ingredients. All you need are diced jalapenos, black pepper, garlic powder, kosher salt, shredded cheese, milk, and of course, eggs. Getting things started, crack 6 eggs into a mixing bowl and then add a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Give everything a quick whisk to break up the eggs, take a break to add 1/3 cup of milk, and then thoroughly whisk everything until it's well combined. Now to make the actual egg bite forms, we'll be using a muffin tray. And I'm using this cool new silicone tray that's non-stick, and it's far easier to get the finished bites out of versus a traditional metal one. You can find this nifty tray for sale on my Amazon store, and I'll make sure to leave a link below in the comments. The filling for these egg bites will be diced jalapenos and shredded cheddar cheese. I diced up about 6 large jalapenos, or roughly 3/4 cup of jalapenos, and made sure to remove all the white veins and seeds in order to help reduce the heat. For cheese, I'm using half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And once you have those ingredients prepped, take a pinch of cheese and a pinch of jalapenos and fill each cup about halfway. Use your best judgment here as we're trying to evenly spread the ingredients across all 12 cups. A pro tip for this step is to go back over each cup using a spoon to mix up the solid ingredients so you get a nice even bite of cheese and peppers when they're done. After the solid ingredients, take your egg mixture, making sure it's still well mixed, and fill each cup to the top. Once they're all topped off, pop your egg tray into an oven that's been preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let them bake for about 16 to 20 minutes. You know they're done once they've puffed up, are lightly golden, and a toothpick comes out clear when you check one. This particular batch was done right at the 20-minute mark, and after an obligatory 5-minute rest, you can see how easy it was to pop the egg bites out of the silicone tray. It was way easier than my previous experience with metal ones. These egg bites are fantastic. They're cheesy, they have a pop of pepper, and they're packed with protein. Like I said at the beginning, you can pile them high into an airtight container and they'll keep for about 5 days or so in the fridge, making them perfect for meal prepping. Now, if you really want to get a gold star for meal prepping, you can also freeze these and they'll keep fresh for about 2 months. Either way, you now have breakfast covered for quite some time, and if you get a wild hair, there's a ton of ways to tweak this recipe and make it your own. Add some bacon, spinach, or even hotter peppers. You do you and report back in the comments. That'll do it for this one, and thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you out with my 2 cents. Now, if you're new to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you considered hitting that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, it certainly helps keep me going, and you'll have access to countless recipes with more content to come. All right, y'all, take care.